Tired of tears, uneven cuts, and dinner time dread? These amazing kitchen gadgets will have you cooking like a chef without the stress. Get ready to be amazed. Frustrated by fussy ravioli? The Fonde rolling pin makes it fantastic. This handcrafted beauty features a built-in grid for perfect ravioli pockets in seconds. Imagine restaurant-worthy results at home, no uneven shapes or wasted filling. Plus, the Fonde's smooth surface lets you roll out pasta like a chef. Unleash your inner pasta master. Kick the tears and conquer kitchen chaos. Yovimak 4-in-1 electric vegetable slicer. Your culinary shortcut turns prep into play. With its 4 functions, it likely offers a variety of slicing options, from thin to thick cuts, as well as shredding and julienning capabilities. Being cordless, it provides the flexibility to use it anywhere in the kitchen without the constraints of cords, which ensures easy cleanup and maintenance. Overall, it sounds like a convenient and efficient tool for home. Dull knives, sharpen like a pro. Rolling sharpener, it's a sensation, ends sharpening struggles. Get razor-sharp blades in seconds with a few easy rolls. Ditch frustrating stones and uneven edges. Perfect results every time. Bonus, built-in leather strop for a mirror finish. Upgrade your kitchen and impress like a chef. Rolling sharpener, the secret weapon in your kitchen. Spiralizers are out, veggie sheets are in, ditch boring meals. KitchenAid sheet cutter turns your mixer into a veggie shredding hero. Imagine zucchini lasagna noodles, crispy apple chips, and refreshing cucumber wraps in seconds. Effortlessly adjust thickness for endless healthy creations. Unleash your inner chef with veggie sheets for spring rolls, wraps, and more. This KitchenAid must have makes healthy eating fun. Say goodbye to hand cramps and uneven peels. The Pelamatic peeler is your kitchen superhero, saving you time and frustration. This electric whiz tackles fruits and veggies like oranges, apples, even potatoes, with its automatic peeling power. Imagine perfectly peeled produce in seconds, all at the push of a button. Now that's impressive. Pelamatic. Get ready to be amazed by effortless peeling. Ditch the fish and focus on speed. SKINZIT zaps fish skin in seconds, just like an electric peeler, but for fillets. No more wasted meat or messy scraping. Effortless skin removal, deboning, and scaling all in one. This compact, powerful tool is a chef's dream. Revolutionize your fish prep with SKINZIT. It's faster, easier, and makes you look like a pro. The Clever Cutter is a kitchen gadget designed to simplify food preparation tasks. It combines a knife with a cutting board, allowing users to chop fruits, vegetables, cheeses, and more directly over a bowl or onto a plate. The device features a scissor-like design with a blade on one side and a flat cutting surface on the other, making it easy to slice through various ingredients quickly and efficiently. The Clever Cutter is often marketed as a time-saving tool that eliminates the need for multiple knives and cutting boards while reducing mess in the kitchen. Fry like a pro. Ditch the knife and uneven cuts. The new Star Fry Cutter makes you the master. This handy tool tackles any potato, creating restaurant-quality fries in seconds. No more hand cramps, just perfect fries every time. Imagine crispy game night fries, shoestring burger buddies, or healthy veggie sticks. All possibilities. Ditch the struggle, spread like a boss. Offundo, the butter blaster, nukes uneven butter in seconds. Imagine restaurant-perfect toast every time. This ain't your grandma's butter knife, it's a flavor explosion. Offundo, fast, flawless, fantastic. Breakfast just got an upgrade. So you've seen the magic, now make it yours. Level up your kitchen, subscribe for more hacks.